Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes.
You got any idea where we're going?
I have no idea.
Good morning, welcome aboard this Eurostar service to Disneyland Paris. Leader of 12:55 and arriving into Disneyland Paris.
Yes.
I just feel so lucky.
Thank you.
Train managers this morning, we will be walking through the train, so please do not hesitate to speak to us.
Hi, it's me, Angharad, from Angharad's Life. And I really can't believe that today, in this video, we're going to 3, 2, 1, Disneyland Paris! Thank you, Mum.
You're welcome. This was actually your 17th birthday.
2 years late.
Because of COVID, we couldn't go, so I thought no better time to go than now.
Can't wait.
I'm looking forward to it. It's been quite a long time since we've been to Disney.
Over 3 years now.
It has. We'll have a lovely time, won't we?
And I really can't wait to share it with you too.
Oh, it's going to be amazing, isn't it?
It's going to be so lovely. Thank you. Okay.
Apple juice.
This is fun, isn't it?
Oh yeah, love these. The chocolate chip, the free bars,
Lovely.
and some water. And what's really good, these bags, plastic free.
Brilliant. I love the smell so much. Oh, the chocolate chips are amazing. And all the flavours too. It tastes just like a flapjack, doesn't it?
It does.
Still can't believe it. Wow, am I dreaming?
You're not dreaming. We really are on our way.
Can't wait. The coffee tastes really delicious and it's amazing that you can have slime milk by asking for it too, isn't it, Mum?
It is. So as soon as we asked for it, they just went straight away and got the little pots of slimo. Brilliant.
Really tasty too.
We are.
He's enjoying that, isn't he, Mum?
He really is.
The Victoria bun cakes from Bun Side Up. Oh wow. Can't believe it. We've arrived.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so.
Oh my gosh, Campus Club. Thank you so much, Ma'am.
Reception from 7 to 10:30 every day after this time, with the main reception on the other side or directly by phone. You have also the Campus Club lounge, so just a side for the breakfast 7 to 11, tea time 4 to 5:45, and soft drinks from midday to 10 p.m. Housekeeping service and room service inside the room, breakfast dinner only.
Lovely.
Okay. Just here at the lighthouse with all the information about the hotel inside, over there. The Disney character meeting at the end of the corridor from 7:30 p.m. to 10:15 p.m. The swimming pool of the hotel at the first landing on this side, the two restrooms, the bar, and the map is up here.
Brilliant. Thank you.
This is for you.
I'll guide you around the bedroom. Oh look, there's even some lovely lanyards. 30th anniversary Disney.
Wow. Casey Jr. This is where we're going for dinner tonight. It's so lovely to have the Mickey potatoes and the Mickey shaped vegetables too. Oh, wow, they taste so good. It's amazing to have so many vegan options too, isn't it?
It is, and they're making us a vegan pizza.
Oh yeah. Just about to try the pizza. Smells incredible, doesn't it, man?
It really does. It's really tasty.
It is. All the vegetables give it such a wonderful flavour. And the vegan cheese is amazing too.
Really lovely vegan cheese.
Okay, just about to try the rice pudding. Smells amazing, doesn't it, man?
It does.
Ready?
Yep.
Wow. So many wonderful flavours.
Really lovely.
Here is one of the cakes too. Oh wow, that smells so good, doesn't it,
They
man?
really do.
Ready? Ooh.
They're lovely.
They're lovely nutty.
They are.
Really, really tasty. Overall, definitely someone will come back and order them sometime.
Definitely.
Service is brilliant, wasn't it?
Really well.
So friendly too. And delicious food.
It's been absolutely amazing.
It has been. And brilliant for vegans too.
Lots of choices.
It's so amazing that they can make us vegans, isn't it, ma'am? It's also a master too, isn't it, ma'am?
It is.
Oh, what do you think, ma'am? That's really tasty. So many different flavours.
So good.
It is. Our friend took us around the Hotel New York, the Art of Marvel. Here is the entrance with all of the comic strips and the Iron Man suits. Here are some of the amazing pieces of artwork. And the Belika Street Lounge too. It's so lovely to have these chocolates that are vegan too, isn't it, ma'am?
It is. And of course, leaving the lovely cards as well.
Morning.
Morning.
Still can't believe we're Disney, ma'am.
I bet you can't.
Shall we go and find out what vegan options we've got for breakfast, ma'am?
I think that's a great idea. What do you think, Ian?
Yeah.
Let's go. Yeah, they've just come with the vegan croissants. Can't wait to try them.
I'm looking forward to it as well. They look amazing.
They smell amazing. Can't wait for the skinny man.
I'm so looking forward to it. Wow. So lovely. I wasn't expecting it to be that good.
They're absolutely incredible. What do you think, Dad?
Lovely.
just about to try some of the vegan sausage. Smells incredible, doesn't it, man?
The smell was amazing when I was getting them. Wow, they are so good. Aren't they?
They're absolutely incredible. I love all the flavours and herbs and spices too. Should we enjoy everything?
I think so. I think we're going to really enjoy them.
Definitely. It's amazing. Like they have soy yogurt too, isn't it, man?
It is.
Enjoy it.
I think that's a great idea. There's a spoon.
Thank you, ma'am.
Oh, wow.
So good.
That's amazing.
Creamy.
Very creamy.
Definitely.
That's exactly what I was going to say.
I love my ears. Thank you, ma'am. Oh, I love Autofeel so much, man, do you?
I do. It's great.
It really is. The closest island gets driving.
It's never been close to a private. But it's a lot of fun, isn't
It
it?
really is.
Enjoying it?
Loving it.
Let's wait behind us.
All the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight.
Just about to try the Fuente del Oro vegan burrito. Smells absolutely incredible, doesn't it, man?
It really does.
Can't wait to try the vegan chili, rice, guacamole, salsa. Do you want to try it with me, ma'am?
Wow.
That rice is so good.
Really good. You enjoying yours, Ian?
And I think I'll try all the chips too. Oh, the paprika fries are lovely too. Should you enjoy it?
I think that sounds like a great idea.
And then enjoy some more rides too. The chili's amazing too. I always enjoy meeting Mickey Mouse.
Tout va bien? T'as besoin d'aide?
Non, pas besoin d'aide.
C'est ce que je pensais. J'envoie du renfort.
Intruders, stand down. I won't ask a second time.
Oh, Flight Force was so cool. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps so much. Comments really help a lot too. And we always love hearing from you. If you are new and enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to the video or at the end of the video. It is free and press the notification bell to be notified when we post new videos. We would love hearing from you in the comments. This time we would love so much to know if you've ever been to Disneyland Paris. If you have, did you enjoy it? If you haven't, would you like to come one day? Have you tried any of the vegan foods? What would you like to try? we really can't wait to see you all here again in part 2. Can't wait to find out what else we get up to, can you, Mum?
I can't wait.
Bye! Take care! See you soon!